So next we have scalar multiplication. Okay. In this scalar multiplication, we simply multiply the scalar value to a certain matrix. For example, we have this given matrix A, a 2 by 2 matrix, and our scalar value, which is equal to 3. So if we're going to multiply this scalar value to this matrix A, so we have K times A, which is equal to 3A. So that will be this one. So just copy each of the element in matrix A. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Wait, let me use this marker. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And multiply each of its element, of this element, okay, by 3. So we have 3 here. Okay. 3, another 3 here. 3 here, and also 3 here. Then further simplify. So we have 3 times 1, that will be 3. 3 times 2, we have 6. 3 times 3, 9. And 3 times 4, that will be 12. So this is how you multiply or perform this scalar multiplication. Okay. Take note that our this scalar value, okay, it could be a negative value, it could be fraction, it could be constant and such. Okay.